Have you ever wondered how your beliefs impact your thoughts? Faith intertwines deeply with our cognitive processes. Today, we explore this fascinating connection and uncover how faith influences perception, memory, reasoning, and decision-making. Firstly, cognitive psychology gives us vital insights. Our beliefs shape our mental processes. When we perceive the world, we do not do so neutrally. Instead, our existing beliefs guide what we notice. For instance, we often pay attention to information that supports our faith. In contrast, we may ignore conflicting evidence. Memory is similar. Religious narratives can shape our recollections. We tend to remember events that align with our theological expectations. This influences how we interpret our experiences and affects our decisions. Next, let's talk about schemas. Schemas are organized structures that help us understand the world. Religion often serves as a schema requiring us to interpret life events. It influences how we react to joy, suffering, or moral dilemmas. Importantly, while schemas ease understanding, they can also constrain us. If we rely solely on our religious worldview, we may miss alternative interpretations. Now, let's dive into decision-making. Faith informs our choices in both moral and existential contexts. Faith-based teachings often provide specific moral guidelines. In situations requiring quick judgments, these norms act as helpful shortcuts. Additionally, faith helps frame deeper questions about identity and purpose, thus offering long-term goals. Neurotheology emerges as an exciting field at this intersection. It combines neuroscience with religious studies. Researchers use brain imaging to explore how spiritual practices affect our brain's functioning. Understanding the brain's role enriches our appreciation of faith experiences. However, it's crucial to avoid oversimplification. Experiencing faith isn't just about brain activity. In practical applications, we can benefit from this knowledge. In education, acknowledging cognitive dimensions of faith fosters critical thinking. We should encourage students to question their beliefs and examine competing views actively. In the realm of science, studying belief and ritual neurologically enhances our understanding. Research in this field uncovers crucial insights about how religious practices shape our cognition and emotions. In the business world, recognizing how values impact organizational culture is vital. Employees' beliefs influence decision-making and leadership styles. Being aware of these influences can lead to more inclusive policies and reduce conflicts. To sum up, faith intersects with cognitive processes profoundly. It shapes our perception, memory, reasoning, and decision-making. By understanding this dynamic, we can appreciate how our beliefs influence our lives and actions. Now, we challenge you to reflect on your own beliefs. How do they shape your perceptions and decisions? Let's continue this conversation in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more enlightening discussions.